I'm a third-generation cattle feeder. Our business is Alexander Cattle and Farms, and my son runs our day-to-day business today.
My name is Josh Alexander, co-owner of Alexander Cattle and Farms in Pilgrim, Nebraska. I'm a fourth-generation cattle feeder and farmer. We farm about 2,000 acres of corn and soybeans, primarily corn, which all comes back into the cattle.
We utilize the manure, the feed, putting it onto your crops, and we're taking care of the environment and utilizing the needs of not only the cattle, but the crops and the land as well. What it really comes down to is I call it the efficiencies of scale. With the equipment, the manpower, and the time we have to operate, we want it to be as efficient as we can.
I'll come down, I'll make a call for a certain load of feed to the guy running the payloader. He's got a sheet that then tells him which product and how much of each product to put into the box. So once all the ingredients are loaded and dumped into the truck, we mix it for 2 minutes so we have a consistent blend for the feed, and then we take it out and deliver it to the cattle.
Next one, do a full load of final for exterior.
The Hyundai is always fully functional and operating, loading the box, and then when you come back, you essentially dump it in the truck, mix it for 2 minutes, and boom, you're off. So the reason that we utilize this batch box system is it saves us 30 to 40 minutes every feeding, and we feed twice a day. Here, the truck is always moving, always feeding. Just being efficient with your time is paramount. So this size of bucket, you can kind of dial back the amount that you put in there and makes it easier to place it into that batch box system. Being able to reach and then once again fine-tune those ingredients in, having the height advantage is renowned in this machine.
You have to have something that you feel good about when you buy and know it's gonna get the job done at the most efficient way you can.
There are two essential pieces of equipment that have to run every single day, and that's the feed truck itself that delivers the feed, and the payloader. You just absolutely have to have it. There's no other way to do what you do. Overall, it's more just the nimbleness of the machine to maneuver where it needs to. This machine really fits exactly what we want to do.
The main thing is reliability. Initial cost is, I think, much more reasonable for what you end up with, and it's worked out well for us. It's good to have dealers, representatives that recognize your needs and that are willing to work with you to make your place successful.
Over the years, we've stepped up through several Hyundai machines, and every time they become a little bit better and a little bit better. Now, with the relationships that we have, they're going to give us the capability to have great visibility forward and rear. You're going to have plenty of power. You have the lift radius, multiple bucket sizes depending on the application. They fit every spec that we need.
Building a comfortable tomorrow.